Welcome to the Smart Workshop software. This video is about Smart Workshop software demo so you can understand how to use this software step by step. Before we start the software, I would like to give you some detail about this software. Smart Workshop software is a management software for garages, vehicle service center, car detail center, or you can use it for any type of workshop as well. With this software, you can manage your business all the data digitally. You can manage your customers, you can manage your vendors, you can manage purchase, you can manage stock, you can create the job card, generate the invoices, send digital invoice to your customer, you can manage the expense, and you can track your business profit loss and other important information related to your business as well. The other advantage of this software is that you can use this software from our website smartworkshop.co.in from your laptop or desktop, and you can also use it our mobile application which is available on Play Store and Apple Store as well. So you can use it from your tablet or smartphone device as well. To use this software you have to do sign up from our website or application. After the sign up your account will be created, and then you can use this software for free for 3 to 4 days and check all the features. Now let's start how to use this software step by step. For that, first we have to click on login. Let's do the login first. After the login, the first screen that you see is called dashboard. Over the dashboard, you can see all the important information, as well as you can also see important navigations buttons over here. Here on left side you can see the menu. First is dashboard, so we will first see this dashboard. On this dashboard the first option is online booking link. So here is your unique booking link. You can use this link and send to your customer, so customer can do online booking and you can receive this online booking in your account or application. The second option is expiry date. Here you can see your account expiry date. SMS balance, here you can see the SMS balance as well. Alert, you can see alert messages over here. Once you click over here you can check the messages as well. View more details. In this section you can see the important information related to your business like total customer, today and current month sale, today and current month purchase, today and current month expenses, current month and last 12-month profit as well. You can click over here and go to the related detailed report as well. These are the navigation button which you will use on a frequent basis. Like you can see online booking list, you can create job card or billing, you can set your services over here, you can submit the expenses, support, staff, customer and profile setting. So this is all about dashboard. Now first option here we see is setting. On left side you can see all the menu and you have to click on the menu so you can see the sub menu. Here you can see the first option is profile setting. So on profile setting you can see your account related information and you can also do your account related and invoice related settings as well. You can see the preview over here. If you want to do changes, then click on edit details. Here you can change the detail about your account. If you want to display a logo on the invoice, then you can upload the logo over here. Here you can set the financial year. With this financial year, you can generate the invoices from one number. For example, current year is 23-24, then invoice start from one number. Next year, you can change this financial year to 24-25, and then again invoices start from one number. So it will help you in your account management. Here you can set the invoice header. You can set the footer as well, invoice footer, where you can put important information about your invoice terms and condition. Over here you can manage purchase related taxes. So whenever you do any purchase from vendor and submit the data over here, and if in that invoice there is any taxes, then you can set over here. For example, I'm selecting two taxes and give name to that taxes, CGST and IGST. Similarly, you can also set tax for your invoices as well. If you are not taking any tax on your invoices, then just do not select any tax and you can generate invoice without tax. But if you want to generate invoice or bill with tax, then you can select over here. If you have one tax, then select first tax one and write your tax like VAT or any other your tax name. Here I am considering two taxes. One is CGST and the second is SGST. I am not considering third one. This option is, do you want to display tax name and tax number on invoice? If you want to display your tax VAT number or GST number on the invoice, then just write your tax number and detail tax number over here and submit your detail. This is how you can change important information of your account or profile. After that, second option is SMS setting. Over here you can set automatic SMS on or off. For example, send invoice or bill SMS to your customer. If you want to send digital invoice to your customer, then just activate this SMS. So what happen, whenever you create any invoice, system will automatically send that invoice by SMS as well. You can see this action means at which process this SMS will be sent and what will be the SMS format, that also you can see over here. Same way you can also activate other SMS as well. In setting, the third option is SMS balance. Here you can see the SMS balance as well. If you want to buy SMS, then you can simply click over here and buy the SMS. If you have your own bulk SMS API, then you can also contact with us. We will integrate and you can use your own SMS as well. So in that case, no need to buy any SMS from your account. After that, fourth option is My Plan. Here you can renew or subscribe your Smart Workshop software subscription. From change password, you can change your account password, and the last option is logout. So this is all about setting. Staff management. In staff management, first option is manage staff. So from here you can create your staff. To create a new staff, first you have to click on add new staff. Here you can enter the staff name, mobile number, email address, joining date. You can upload the document of your staff and submit it. Once you submit it, then your staff will be created and its account password will also created automatically. For that you have to click over here on preview icon. You can see the ID and password. So with this ID and password, staff can do the login as well. If you want to inactivate that staff, then simply you need to click on this icon and you can inactivate. Here you have a search button, so you can search your staff, or if you want to activate any staff, then you can do that as well. The last option is edit. If you want to edit your staff information, then you can click and edit and submit it again. And here the third option is staff permission. The same thing you can also access from here as well, staff permission. Let's click on staff permission. So from this screen you can give software permission to your staff, so staff can access only that particular screen from the software. So it will help you to maintain your data security. Here you can see all the menu, same appear over here as well. So for example, for this stuff you just want to give expense management and billing related things, then select it and submit it over here. So this is how you can give software permission to your staff. Whenever that staff login, they can only able to access this particular screen only. So this is how staff management works. Services and item. Here the first option is service category. From this section you can create your different service categories, and you can also set your services or items and their selling price. First is service category. You can see all the categories over here. Now you can create your own other categories as well, and to create the service category, click over here. You can create any category over here like car washing, alignment, balancing, general service, anything, spare part. You can see all service category over here. If you want to edit any service category, click over here and you can change the name of that service category. If you want to inactivate any service category, then also you can click over here. If you want to search any service category, you can click on search button and search your service category as well. Under this service category, now you can create different type of services, and for that you can click on service rate list. So here you can create your different services or items that you are selling to your customer. The first is add service item. You can select the category over here. For example, let's select spare part. You can add any item or spare part over here. For example, AC filter. You can set the sale price, set the order number. Now if you want to take tax on this item, then you can also set the tax price as well. If you do not want to set any tax or tax not applied on this particular item, then unselect it. So this is how you can create services over here. You can click on preview icon and see the service detail as well. You can edit any services by clicking on edit icon. So this is how you can set different type of services or spare part or item that you are selling to your customers. Purchase management. In purchase management, first option is manage vendor. From here you can create your vendors. Vendor means your party from where you purchase the spare part and other things. So to create a vendor, click on add new vendor. You can enter the vendor name, contact details, address, and if you are taking tax enable invoice from your vendor, then you can also add tax number over here. Here you can select the items that you purchase from your vendor. So let's one more thing, here we have given a search option, so you can search the item category wise. Let's search spare part. You can see all the spare part. Let's consider we take these 5 items for this particular vendor and submit over here. So this is how we can create the vendor. If you inactivate the vendor, you can click over here. You can click on the preview and see the vendor details. If you want to edit, then you can click on the edit, and here also you can see all selected item. If you want to change something, you can select again and submit it. So this is how you can create a vendor. After that, manage purchase. So whenever you purchase something from your vendor, you have to do entry over here, and then you can manage your item stock. So first click on add new purchase, select your vendor, enter your invoice number that your vendor gave you. You can also upload digital invoices. Here you can see all the items that you are taking from this particular vendor, and if in this invoice you have only purchased 2 items, then just enter those 2 items detail over here. Let's consider we have taken AC filter and air filter. So you can enter the rate over here, number of quantity that you have purchased. If that tax, if that invoice included with tax, then you can also enter the tax detail over here. And if it is not tax enable invoice, then simple, do not enter any detail into the tax column. After that you can see the total amount over here, and then you can submit it. So this is how you can enter the purchase related detail, and from here your item stock will be managed. Expense management. In expense management, you can manage your business each and every expenses like rent, electricity bill, salary, and these expenses will be calculated in your business account, so you can track profits, profit loss as well. So let's start with the expense. In the expense, first is expense category. Here you have to create a category. For example, office rent, workshop rent, electricity bill, other expenses, salary, that you have to create over here. To create the expense category, click on add new and then submit the expense category and save it. So here you have created the category. If you want to inactive any category, then click over here. If you want to edit any category, then click over here, change it and add, save, submit it. If you want to delete, then you can click over here and delete the category as well. Here you have a search option as well where you can select the category. After that, manage expense. So here you have to do expense related entry. Whenever you do any expense, then you have to do entry over here. For that, first click on add new expense. Here you have to select category first. For example, we select electricity bill, we pay in cash, date of the payment, you can enter the amount. If you want to upload the document or bill, then you can also click over here and upload it, and after that submit it. So this is how you can submit your all the expenses, and that will be calculated in your profit and loss report. So this is all about expense management. Next is billing. Here we have three sections: customers, job card and billing history. I will discuss this customer section later on. First, let's see billing and job card. Here we can see all the job card that we have created, and to create a new job card we have to click over here. So whenever a customer visit at your workshop, then you enter their vehicle number, if customer detail is already exist, then this field will be fetched automatically. Otherwise you can also submit customer detail as well. Here you can submit the vehicle kilometer, you can also submit the fuel meter, you can also manage other remarks that has been given by the customer. And after that, here you can see the service section. So you can see all the services that you are offering to your customer, and if you want to search any service, you can also use this search option as well. You can write any word over here and search the services. So here you can see those services. You can select the services or item, enter the quantity. If you want to give discount, you can also give discount as well, and then click on add. So now you can see you have added one services for this customer. Similarly, you can also add other services as well. You can give the discount and submit it. If you want some other services in which you can manage your labor cost, then you can also select the labor cost services. You can manage your rate over here as well and submit it. So this is how you can add different services to your customer. And then you can see here two buttons. One is save and generate bill, one is save and modify bill. Save and generate bill means it will directly generate the bill. But if you want to save the job card, then you have to click on save and modify later. Let's click on it. So this is how you can create a job card, and this job card you can edit anytime. For that you have to click over here. If you want to add new services, or if you want to remove any services, then also you can do and submit it again. If you want to send this job card or estimate to your customer, then simply click over here, send estimation SMS. So your customer will receive SMS and the estimation of these services. If you want to upload images of this vehicle or any about the services, then you can click over here and upload the images as well. If you want to delete the job card, you can simply click over here and delete it. And if you want to generate the bill, then you can click on generate bill button, and here you can see bill detail. We can see one option over here. So if you want to send reminder SMS of your services to your customer, then simple select the services, reminder date. So system will automatically send reminder SMS to your customer on this particular date. Once you save it, then your invoice will be generated and you can see the invoice over here. If you want to print the invoice, you can click over here and print the invoice as well. After that, another option is bill history. Here you can see all the bills that you have created. So if you want to reprint the bill, then you can also click over here and reprint it. If you want to delete the bill, then you can click over here and delete the bill as well. Now is customers. Whenever you do customer entry from job card, the unique entry of customer will be created automatically, that you can see over here. But at the same time, you can also create customer from here as well. So if you want to create customer manually, you can use this screen. You can see all your customers. If you want to search, then also you can use the search feature. If you want to inactive any customer, you can click over here and inactivate. If you want to see detail, click over here and see the detail as well. One more thing, whenever you create any job card and select the vehicle, then you can see one option over here, service history detail. So you can click over here and see your customer past service history as well. So this is also very important feature as well, so you can check the history of your customer services as well. So this is all about billing and job card. After that, online booking. In online booking, you can see the booking list. Here you can see all the application of your customer online booking. In dashboard, you have this unique online booking link. Once you share this link to your customer, then your customer can submit or do the online booking. And that booking you can see over here. If you want to delete this booking, you can click over here and delete it. If you want to generate the job card or billing, then you can click over here and then you can do job card estimation and billing related process, same as we have explained above. You can see a pending status. That means this job card is still pending. Once you click over here, you can change the status of this job card as well. You can change the status from pending to complete and submit it. And if you want to see status wise detail, then you can also search and fetch all the records. So this is how online booking works. After that, report section. In report section, you can see all the important reports that required for your business, like expense report, purchase related report, current stock report, billing report, customer report, and SMS report. First is expense report. In all the reports, you will get a screen like this. You can use the search option to filter a date wise data or other condition wise data. You will also have a feature like export to Excel, so you can take the backup of your data in Excel or PDF. And if you want to check more record, then you can use this page size as well. So here we have an expense report where you can track your expense. We have then purchase related report, so here you can check your purchases. Current stock report. On this report you can check your items current stock, and you can also see your current available items sales value and purchase value as well. Apart from that, you have a bill summary report where you can search your invoices, customer report where you can download your customers or fetch your customers. SMS status report. Here you can check your SMS status. So this is all about report section. Last is support. In support you can see support request. So whenever you face any issue or you have any problem or need any help regarding this software, then you can simply create a support ticket over here and our team will reply you back. Apart from support ticket, you can also contact us via WhatsApp messages, email and call as well. We are providing support on WhatsApp as well, on call as well, and email support as well. Now to create a ticket, click on the add new request, mention your problem over here and submit it. Our team will reply your ticket and you can see this reply over here. So this is how support will work. We will mention all links like website and other support related details like contact number, email address, application detail in this video description.